Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hayes Priscilla. What's up with the do? Okay, today I'm reviewing this unit I have on my hair right now. Like, look how cute these curls are, y'all. Like y'all, this is a synthetic unit. Yes, synthetic. Yes, that's what I said. Like, look at how this is just blending so well. Y'all see these baby hairs? Y'all see this part? Girl. So today I'm gonna be reviewing this hair, the Perfect Hairline by Outre. They're fully hand tied 13x6 lace wig collection. So this is in the style Julianne, and it's in color 1B. So this hair, you guys, is so amazing. So it has a transparent HD lace. It came with baby hairs, which I plucked a little bit and I styled and cut and just did a little bit more in it. And the thing I love so much about this hair is the fact that it's a 13x6 frontal. So hunty, like, I ain't cut baby hairs over here because that's not necessary because the bang gonna be covering it. But all of this is space that you can play with. You can do a side part, you can do a middle part, like you can do whatever you really want. So yeah, it also comes with three combs. Yeah, 2 in the front, 1 comb in the back, and all that other stuff too. But that's enough about talking in the beginning. I want to show you guys how it looked when I unboxed the hairline, how I customized it, installed it, all that good stuff. So let's get straight into the video. Let's go. So this is what the wig is looking like out the box. So it comes with, see, this is why I have scissors on deck. I'm not playing with y'all today. So y'all can see I literally have not taken it out because it's still connected to everything. So I'm just gonna cut this little piece off. Y'all see those baby hairs? Y'all see what they did? Y'all see what they're working with? Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited, y'all. This is such a cute freaking unit. So like I already mentioned, got 2 combs on the side hair, and this is a 13x6. So look how far that lace goes. It goes all the way back there. So that's a decent amount of space to play with. And then for the back of the cap, you have a comb here, an adjustable strap. This comes with a band too. Y'all see this? So not only do you have an adjustable strap, but you have an elastic band in there, y'all. This wig is gonna be secured. This is how we're securing the bag all 2021. Like, this wig has 3 combs, 2 bands. Like, it's not going nowhere. Let me put it on so before I start ranting, I'll be back. It's already giving, guys. It's already giving, and I just barely slid it on my head. So this is it initially on. Have not cut the lace, nothing. Y'all see those baby hairs? It's giving. So this is what the curls are looking like. So I guess right now it'd be like in the middle part. Y'all, this hair is so soft. Like, y'all see these curls? Y'all see these curls? Stop playing. I know y'all see it. So I don't know if y'all can see on camera. It's not like a silky texture. It's more of like a kind of like a yucky texture. So I think it's supposed to mimic. Y'all see that scalp? Have mercy. I'm super excited. I'll just show you guys what the hairline is looking like real quick. That's what the hairline is looking like. It did say it came pre-plucked, but could definitely do a little bit more plucking. Let's see what this side part is talking about. This is what the side part is looking like. Let's try to do like a actual middle part real quick. A whole lot of hair, but alright. So I'm just gonna start pinning this up and cutting the lace.
next morning.
Alright, hey you guys, here is the final look. As you guys can see, I did my baby hairs, not too much. I kind of kept them long because I might end up going back in and cutting them a little bit, but for today as the first wearing day, I think it looks pretty good. So I did part it, I didn't pluck the part. I think it's pretty good how it is, but I would just go in probably off camera with my hot comb to just kind of lay it so the part is a little bit more apparent. As you can see, like y'all see how that lace is blending in. I did go in after laying it because obviously the freezing spray can leave a little bit of that white residue in there, which is not really nice, and I just used it to kind of blend it out and clean it up. I also used a little bit of alcohol to just take some of the excess glue residue off of there. But what do you guys think? I love the curls so much. I'm gonna continue probably wearing in that side part because I just feel like it frames my face really nicely. But here's what the curls are looking like. Probably gonna need to use like a pin or something, just keep this little bang action going on. But what do you guys think? I'm gonna show you guys the back. And yeah, so I really like this hair a lot. It's super duper soft, really easy to customize. Like it just manipulates, really easy to manipulate. You saw me swooshing my baby hairs, cutting it, and it's just, I love the fact that it was pre-plucked as well as they already have pre-made baby hair. So I kind of use that as a little guideline for how long I wanted them. They're like fairly long, so I thought it was super cute. I think it's nice to have like longer baby hairs with a little side swoop, and I just cut a little bit of my ear tab here as well too. So yeah, I'm really liking this unit. I really have nothing negative to say about it. Hope you guys like this little review and tutorial about how I customize and everything. Let me know what type of videos you want me to post, and just make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.